Hey, this is Rick and welcome back to the channel. From time to time I do product reviews. This is going to be a product review. Hey look, I want to take the time to say I'm sorry I haven't done any reviews lately. I had some medical tests done and I got some issues that I've got to address, and that's been taking some time and some focus away from me sticking with my channel. But bear with me, hopefully I'll get back on track here and we'll get some more content out there that you might like. And speaking of that, if you do like it, click that like button down there in the corner and smash that bell icon and let YouTube know you like our videos. Please share with your family and friends, and that helps the channel. And also the links that I post at the bottom of the videos, if you click on any of that, the little bit of residual income that you do generate with us helps us support the channel even more. Alright, so in the past I've had some bigger pressure washers for home use. I had the Simpson style one that has a big cart that you push, and it's kind of heavy if you want to move it around. The mobility of it's a little bit difficult, especially if you don't have a truck. Now that was running, I guess, around 3,800, 4,000 PSI. So we're going to try this out. This is the WPX3400. It's made by Westinghouse. I believe it does have a 3-year warranty on it, unless you buy the refurbished models, and I've seen them online and eBay, and they seem to be pretty decent. You know, you can check them out. They're just pressure washers. Maybe you can save yourself some money. I think this was like $350 from Lowe's, including shipping and handling came right to the house. Lowe's is about an hour away from us, and I didn't feel like dealing with that. And we needed it. Now it also says it's going to generate 2.6 gallons per minute. That's pretty good for a home use pressure washer. It's going to give you a nice, you know, strong burst of water, soap, whatever it is you're using. And that's going to give you a little bit more force than what some of the typical ones have. Now, this isn't a Honda motor like my other one had. They're pretty darn reliable Honda motors. This is Westinghouse, which is probably a Chinese knockoff that people have probably put on a lot of these different pressure washers, and Westinghouse went ahead and probably stamped their name to it. Don't know about parts availability or anything like that. Hopefully we won't get into that right away. But what I'm going to show you is, I'm not going to show you the unboxing. That seems to take forever. And there's plenty of them on the internet here on YouTube that you can look at for unboxing. I'm going to go ahead and open it up, stretch out all the stuff we have, put it together, and then I'm going to show you some use maybe on my car, try to pressure wash my car off. It's kind of filthy. It's been under some trees down here in South Carolina, and it's been neglected like everything right now. So let me just show you that it is definitely new. Here's the owner's manual. It's been opened. It's not like one of those YouTube videos that somebody just threw together last minute. It's all wrapped up and ready to go. Let me go ahead and unbox it and we'll come back. Maybe I'll show you some of the parts. We'll go there. Okay, what I'm going to show you that I did unpack is what comes with it. You do have the sprayer wand with a gun. That's going to attach to that. You have the hose. You have all the nozzles. They do send oil, 10W30 oil with it to get it started. Of course, you're going to need gas. And there's some various brackets here for probably the sprayer arm that's going to go on the handle, which is self-explanatory. There's a little stopper here, which is actually a foot rest, and that goes right through here with a bolt, real simple, and that keeps it vibration free, and it also doesn't mar the metal frame here. Keeps it nice and sturdy there, and all this stuff is pretty self-explanatory. You're not going to need a ton of tools. I think you can get away with like a little, maybe a crescent wrench, channel lock, pliers, something like that. Adjustable pliers, and if you had a ratchet set, that would be great. So the handle's going to pop right on there. It just has some push-in lock buttons. And that's it. Won't go through the whole thing. Consumes the video. Okay, quick tip on the sprayer arm. They come in and with brass fittings on them, and you can just go ahead and thumb screw that on there. But I'm old school. I'm actually a retired plumber pipe fitter, and I'm going to put some Teflon on those threads because I don't like brass to brass connections. They can gnarl and get all chewed up on you. This will create a nice seal for you and easy to break apart if you want to put different wands on there, extensions, whatever it is you may have. Here it is. It's all complete, all put together. It's got these great big plastic wheels on there to make it a lot easier to roll. Don't have to worry about any air. Pretty durable. So the next thing we'll do is we'll fill it up with some fuel, go ahead and fire it up, see how it operates. Alright, so I know it's been a while. I'm going to try to clear this video up and get it done. Hopefully it's not too shaky. I'm going to hand hold this. Here's the front of it. I've gone ahead and I went ahead and filled up with oil here. That wasn't hard at all. Just make sure you keep looking at the indicator, make sure it's filled. You don't want to run this thing without any oil. You're going to burn it up. It's already filled up with gasoline. Here's the choke procedure and how to start it. You're going to have an engine switch right there, pretty obvious engine switch. You got on, off. You are not going to be able to start it unless it's in the on position. Also, here's the choke. You want the choke fully over here. There's a little choke indicator right there, and then this is your gas. You're not going to get any gas unless it's slid over to the right. It says on with an arrow, pretty self-explanatory. You're going to slide it over like that. You're going to leave it in the choke position. This is where the air filter is, and these are the nozzles. You have one that's going to be for soap. It's over here on this side here. I've already got it on the sprayer. And these are the other nozzles. And all they do is they give you a different spray pattern if you're not familiar with it. Look them up online. They're pretty self-explanatory. You got white, red. I'm colorblind, so I'm going to go on what I think here. That's a red, I guess, a yellow, and a green, lime green, something like that. So I'm not going to get into that. There is some things on here. It looks like 25 degree. This one says 15, 0. So that's almost like a straight blast. That says 40. So you can put them in order as the spray pattern goes out. Hopefully you can see that a little bit better. I've gone ahead and I've already set up my hose there. It's dripping because it's on my side, not on the pump. It's nice that they have a little relief right here that will blow off if it builds up too much pressure. Here's your hose. It's going to go in to the reservoir in the front where we're going to put our soap. The gun slides right into that holder. I've showed you that before. And like I said, I've got the black one on there, which is for soap, and it does say soap on there. There's the soap reservoir, and we're going to go ahead and put our soap in there, and that's going to draw out through the line and soap whatever it is you want to soap. So let me show you how this works. And make sure you have that hose on, that you have to have water pressure going through that hose. It's going to blow out the air so that you can fire up the pressure washer. If you don't get that air out of that system, it's going to run like crap. It's going to spit and sputter. And you got to make sure you have water going through that pump, or you're going to blow that pump up too. So I've already gone ahead and had these in the starting position just to show you. Not very hard at all. Make sure we have it on the on switch. There it goes. Now it's with one hand. Not really putting any pressure on it. Shut it off here. Kills it immediately. I'm going to hand the phone over to my lovely wife here, and she's going to show you me using it, and I'll let you know what I think of it. I put the white tip on there, which it says 40 degree. That's got a lot of pressure. It's holding me back pretty good.
right, so bottom line, would I recommend this? Yeah, I would recommend it.